What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to be taking a look at the Rupes Duetto. This was actually the very first pro grade dual action polisher that I got, and I have quite a few hours logged on this thing at this point. So I'm kind of concerned that the brushes are worn out, so we got a replacement set here. So we're going to take this back cover off and expose the brushes, change them out, and see how worn the old ones actually are. So let's take this thing apart. So taking this cover off is pretty straightforward. And 2 Phillips head screws on the back. And then the cover slides right off. So that's where one brush is, and that's where the other brush is. So looks like they're pretty pushed down there. So first we got to take this connector off. Wiggle, wiggle. Come on. I might need a pair of pliers for this. Oh yeah. Oh, well, that one's broken now. I'm going to pry this spring up. Actually looks like it. You can pop it out of the way. Now that I broke the wire off, it's going to be, this thing actually isn't that hard to come out. We're just going to dump it. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, so you can see this thing was actually pretty worn down. Slide it back in. Pop the connector back on. And pop the spring back in place. That's one done. Now let's flip it over. Well, this time, I'm going to pop the spring out of the way first. And I'll pull the brush out, and then pull the connector off. Go. There it goes. Now you can see with the wire on there how worn down these things actually are, so it's pretty good. I don't know how far you really can go with these things. The machine definitely wasn't giving me any issues yet. I just kind of considered that I had quite a few hours on this thing at this point, so it would definitely be time to just do it as maintenance. So, and we'll just pop it in its little slot with the wire. So where this wire is actually going into the brush goes toward the side that the connector actually connects to. And then we will pop the spring back on. And that's it. Brushes are changed, and this thing is ready to rock and roll for quite a few more hours. I'll just slide the cover back on. the wire actually binds up a little bit. So I'm having to pull this wire through as I'm sliding the cover on. There we go. And that's it. Just pop these screws back in and we're all done. Sweet. Alright, so one last step. We're actually going to turn this thing on and make sure it does actually indeed come on. Yep. Nice and smooth. Like it's brand new. Yeah, this thing's got a little battle scars. This thing's definitely been put through the ringer. I used to say this was my favorite polisher. That has actually kind of changed recently, so we are going to discuss that on the next video. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.